Welcome to our special report on the state of AI from the World Economic Forum in Davos 2026. The atmosphere has shifted dramatically. The initial hype is settling, and the conversation is now strictly about execution and reality. Leaders from Microsoft, Nvidia, OpenAI, and Google gathered here not to promise sci-fi futures, but to discuss the hard work of deployment. The consensus? We are entering the infrastructure phase. Nvidia's Jensen Huang was clear. AI is now a multi-layer platform. It's about energy, chips, and data centers. He argues that every country must treat AI as foundational infrastructure, just like electricity or roads. Huang illustrated this with radiology. AI systems can now analyze medical images infinitely fast. This doesn't replace doctors, but frees them to see more patients and focus on care, proving that infrastructure constraints are the new bottleneck. However, the growth isn't guaranteed. Microsoft's Satya Nadella issued a stark warning about the risk of an economic bubble if AI's benefits remain trapped within the tech sector. Nadella emphasized that sustainable growth requires companies outside of tech to use AI to drive their own revenue. It cannot just be big tech spending capital. Real-world workflows need to change. Demis Hassabis of Google DeepMind echoed this sentiment. He cautioned that multi-billion-dollar seed rounds for startups without products are unsustainable. The durable value will come from solving difficult technical problems, not just riding the wave. Security was another major pillar of the discussion. Anthropic's Dario Amodei raised serious concerns about national security and export controls. He warned that selling advanced AI chips to rivals poses long-term risks, comparing it to nuclear proliferation. Tensions between developers and policymakers are rising as the stakes get higher. On a more consumer-focused note, OpenAI's Chris Lahane confirmed a dedicated AI hardware device is coming in late 2026. Rumors suggest a screen-free, peaceful device, perhaps a wearable or earbud form factor. This move aims to give OpenAI more control over the user experience, moving beyond just software on screens. From infrastructure challenges to new hardware and security debates, Davos 2026 proved that AI is maturing. The focus is no longer on what AI might do, but on how we build it responsibly and effectively.